Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clone a voice with Artlist. Ladies and gentlemen, in Artlist, if you go to artlist.io, you're going to come over here to the left hand side and it says AI voiceover. Now once you go into AI voiceover, you will see there are two options. This is the text to voice and here is the voice to voice. Now if you click on voice to voice, you can now upload a voice recording. Right now they only have it available in English and they need a maximum length of 15 seconds. It can be in any one of these formats and it can be 30 megabytes as a max. So go ahead and click on upload a voice recording. Alright, so now we have the effects panel here. We can change how the voice will actually come out. But right now we're going to just go ahead, leave it as is. We are going to click on generate for free. Alright, here we go. We now have our voice. It's called Vision number 0. Of course it is. And what we're going to do now is just give it a small, quick listen.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today, I'm going to show you something awesome within Artlist. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, there we go. We've now cloned our voice.